Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, more on Photoshop CS3. Okay, so quickly we are going to start this lesson and with one activity. So I have selected one picture and the girl is having spots on her face, chicken pox spots. Okay, and we are going to remove that spots using the tool, your spot healing tool. Okay, so we are going to use the tool spot healing brush, or we can say spot healing tool. So what do we have to do? We have opened a file. Okay, then we are going to click on the spot healing brush. It has having four options. One is your spot healing brush tool, healing brush tool, patch tool, and red eye tool. Red eye tool is used to remove the red eyes from your photograph. Sometimes in your dark side, when you are going to click the photograph, your eyes will become red. So to remove that red color from the eyes, we will be using red eye tool. Now we are going to start with your spot healing brush or tool. So I'm going to click on this. The shortcut key is your J. Okay, then for this brush I'm going to set the diameter. If I increase the diameter, see, the diameter will be increased, but it will be more. So we are going to reduce the size as the spot size. To remove the spot size, we are going to reduce the diameter. So I have set diameter as your 28. Okay, mode, what is the mode? Your lighten. Okay, then what I am going to do, I am simply going to click on the spots. See, like this spot is there, I am going to click it here, spot will be removed. I am going to click on here, see, spot is removed. Place the mouse over the spot and click. See, if I am going to move it, only place it, then click. We have to reduce the diameter for that spot. See, then this is spot I want to remove. Selecting the spot and clicking on that, spot will be removed from the face. So download any image from Creative Commons and do that, or from Google you can download the image and apply spot healing tool on the image. If something went wrong, click Ctrl+Z to undo. Okay, now over that, if I want to lighten that, then I am going to use sponge tool. Okay, sponge tool, again it has your three options: burn tool, sponge tool, and your dodge tool. So we have selected sponge tool and simply move this sponge over the picture to lighten the image. Okay, now if you are going to compare the picture, so the previous picture is this is your previous picture, before picture. Okay, and now we have removed the spot, and this is your picture after editing. So do this practical at your home. Use your spot healing tool and your sponge tool. Goodbye for now. Take rest. Take care. Bye bye.